Hey, how's it going? Today's drawing lesson is going to be simple and for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you've never drawn anything in your life, this is the perfect place to be. This is going to be step by step and it's going to be short. I try to keep these around the 10-minute mark. Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Wolverine. Here, up, line here. Gonna find the brow over here on the side. The brow is actually kind of the hard part of the head, really. Going out, down, line over here for from the nose part of the outfit to the side of the head. Gonna go over here, find that on the other side as well. Line out here, down. And over here. Okay, I'm gonna find the side of the mouth. Pull down, curve over here for the tooth cylinder. Down over here for the chin. Down over here, cross, up. Okay. Gonna go over here and complete the back side of the chin. Like so. Gonna go over here in the middle, find the philtrum. That's kind of that little bump over the lip. I'm gonna pull down here, out from the center of the mouth here, And I'm going to define the sides of the mouth over here. He's kind of a grumpy guy, so he's not going to really be smiling. Line underneath here for the lower lip. And I might throw another, kind of like you always see that in comics over here, like this dark line underneath the lip. Like so. Line down here for the neck. Over here for the side of the outfit. Down. Back. We doing good? Alright. Line over here for his ear. His ear is actually underneath the outfit, right? So there's going to be a little bit of impression there. And let's do the most significant part of his outfit, his cool kind of wings. So I'm going to pull over here. And I'm going to curve over here up. And it's going to pull up over here at the end. And then it's going to curve all the way down over here on the side over here. And then that's going to pull in. Doing good? Hopefully you are. Pull that in there. Pull here for the back of the neck. And give him a little bit of a bigger neck because he's kind of a buff guy. Gonna go over here to the front now. And I'm gonna pull this curve. It's a little bit different though. I'm gonna pull it here. Gonna have a little bit of a bump, but it's gonna go around, you know, a little bit different. It's gonna have like a different curve to it. I'm gonna pull up over here. And by the way, you can do all this stuff. If you like this stuff, like I said, hit the like button. You can do all this stuff with just this Crayola marker. I want to kind of prove that. Curve around the back. Oops, sorry, this thing's in the way. Curve. And if you really want the shoulder pads, you can draw the shoulder pads in. I think he has shoulder pads like that on this side, and he has like one on the far end, right? That vignette. I'm gonna darken out the eyes just a little bit. I'm gonna bold out the eyes a little bit because I want them to have a focus. That's a big thing. I want them to have a real strong focus. And you can kind of color it any way you want at this point. Hold on, let me find an eraser. I gotta find that eraser. 1 second. Hold on. Okay, found it. So this is my favorite eraser. It's called a kneaded eraser. You can buy these anywhere. I think these things are like, you can buy like 3 for $1, and it's like bubble gum. And I'm gonna erase the pencil lines I put in behind this, so they only the dark lines appear still. comments, share the video, and I will start doing stuff like this if you like. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video.